How do you set up the runtime on the drive 300, drive 500, 600, and drive 1000 sliding gate operators? Identify which operator you have: drive 300, drive 500, drive 600, or drive 1000. Start by removing the cover fastening screws, and then lift the cover of the operator to access the control card. The display on the drive 300 differs in that it is not LCD but rather a 3-digit LED display. Disengage the operator. Move gate to the hard closed position and ensure your magnetic actuator is set up correctly in relation to the reed switch on the operator. The reed switch should be in the middle of the two magnets. Pull the gate back to the middle of travel by hand and re-engage the gearbox. Pull or push the gate to ensure it is back in gear. Listen for the click. Press and hold the square button until you hear 2 audible beeps and the display indicates you have entered programming mode. Drive 300 display shows PRG. Using the arrow keys, navigate to the runtime setup option. Drive 300 displays run. Press and release the square button to enter the runtime setup. You are then asked to confirm the gate's closing direction. Do this by pressing and releasing the corresponding arrow button. Drive 300 alternates between CLS and DIR. Gate will close searching for the magnetic limit actuator. On reaching the limit actuator in the closed position, the gate will stop and begin opening. The operator is now waiting for you to stop the gate just prior to the open position using the square button. You can fine-tune to the final open position by using the left and right arrow buttons if required. Press and release square button to save this position. The gate will run closed to verify the selected travel length. Drive 300 shows LRN. Upon reaching the closed limit, the control card will beep to prompt you that it will now begin profiling the gate's load. Gate opens at full running speed while beeping. On reaching the previously saved open position, the gate stops and begins closing. Drive 300 shows Pro. On reaching the closed limit again, the buzzer will beep and the display confirms the runtime setup is done.